Hi guys, good afternoon. So, naglalakad ako papunta sa Santo Niño. Pero bakit sinasabi nilang lahat sa akin malayo pa daw? Check out the area kung saan ako. Pero, I guess, subukan natin maglakad. Excuse me, malayo pa ba yung sa Santo Niño? Yung mga gamit pa kalayo. Kaya ko pa bang lakarin? Sige.
Yeah, if you're 6 people.
Na-try ko siyang
Try
exercise. Yung sa kayanin. And then,
Parang kaya pa naman.
pa-follow sa aking Facebook ha. Yan ba? Para matag ko rin. Yan guys. Dito na ako nakaabot. And then, continue pa rin tayo maglakad. I haven't eaten lunch yet. Pa nagla-lunch. So, parang gagawin ko na lang itong penitensya. And medyo ganito yung voice ko right now. Kasi, trying to recover pa rin sa hangover. Anyway, let's just keep on walking. Discipline lang yan. I think this is the old town. And naglalakad pa rin tayo. Tara, malapit na. Hopefully, sa Santo Niño. Ayun guys, umabot din tayo, di ba? Kapag may gusto kong gawin, you don't have to wait for anyone. Gawin mo lang. Hindi kailangan mag-antayan na.
Young and great, greatest of the heavenly host, with the power of God, casting to against Satan, and the practice participants.
Pipila na tayo. Ayun guys, finally nakavisit na tayo sa Santo Niño. However, we cannot take any pictures or even videos. Ayun. Have a blessed Sunday guys. And always remember why your life is blessed. It's because of Him. Guys, sa Muslim Church, have a blessed Sunday.